To become fluent in English, it is necessary to have good command over vocabulary. Without it, we can't explain our thoughts and our expression in front of others. So in this video, we will learn some words in an easy way. So guys, before we start, if you're new in this channel, please do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any other update. So let's begin. The first word is accredit. Accredit means to believe that somebody is responsible for doing or saying something. She is accredited with having first introduced the word into the language. The second word is accretion. Accretion means growth or increase by accumulation or addition. You can say also enlargement. The fund was increased by the accretion of new shareholders. The third word is accumulate. Accumulate means to gradually get more and more of something. In other words, you can say amass or acquire something. We have accumulated a great amount of evidence. Accurate. Accurate means correct and true in every details. In other words, you can say free from error. The police are trying to obtain more accurate picture of crime levels. Accuse. Accuse means to say that somebody has done something wrong or is guilty of something. The example is, how dare you accuse me of lying? Next word is accustom. Accustom means make one used to something. The team has accustomed itself to the pace of first division rugby. Achieve. To succeed in doing something or causing something to happen. In other words, you can say attain or accomplish. She has finally achieved her dream to become fluent in English. The next word is acknowledge. There are two meanings of acknowledge. The first is to accept that somebody and something has a particular authority or status. He is widely acknowledged to be the best player in the world. The second meaning is to accept that something is true. I didn't acknowledge that he had done anything wrong. The next word is acquaint. Acquaint means make somebody aware of something. You need to acquaint the police with the facts. The next word is acquire. Acquire means to gain something by your own effort, ability or behavior. In other words, you can say obtain or attain something. He has acquired a reputation for dishonesty. The next word is acquisition. Acquisition means the act of getting something, especially skills or knowledge, or buying something. The children progressed in the acquisition of basic skills. Acquit. Acquit means to declare not guilty. He was acquitted on the grounds of insufficient evidence. The second meaning is to perform or behave well, badly, etc. He acquitted himself brilliantly in the exams. Activate. Activate means to make something or somebody start working. We must activate the youth to study. The next word is actual. Actual means used to emphasize something that is real or exists in fact. The actual cost was higher than we expected. The last word is actuate. The meaning of actuate is to make a machine or device start to work. The pump is actuated by a base driven by an electric motor. So friends, if you found it helpful, then share it to your friend and hit the like and subscribe button to make me motivated. Thank you.